Hello, this is Avinash. I am here to make you recognize our dangerous enemy and essential protector. Suppose we have an enemy who wants to destroy us. What will you do? We will try to protect us and will be alert by that threat. However, if we had an enemy who has power to be invisible, then we would be in greater danger. But we would be in greatest danger if we had an enemy who conceal their enmity and earn our trust by captivating promises and sweet words. You all would be astonished when I will tell you that we all have such enemies that is inside of us in the form of self-destructive urges. That these urges trigger within us that compel us to perform those activities which hurt us, but we love them because they make us dream of having pleasure. It is said in Bhagavad Gita that these urges are our enemy, and indeed enemy of whole the world. The enmity of such urges is invisible because these urges subdues us by deceptiveness of these urges. These urges cover our knowledge and even cover our inclination to seek knowledge that leads to do bad things. Testimony towards dangerousness of this kind of enemies is millions of addicts towards the bad habits across the world. I want to exemplify it that no one wants to do bad things, but they are forced to do these things. Why? Because they think that happiness will be in these things, but it doesn't happen. Happiness doesn't lie in materialistic things. It lies in our wisdom and in our perception of thoughts. But we don't have to be upset. Why? Because we all are targeted by such thoughts and such urges, but we can be protected. How? We can be protected by our spiritual wisdom. Why I am telling you that spiritual wisdom can save us? Because wisdom tells us that how to do any specific task, but spiritual wisdom let us know that do we need really to do this task. When we understand through spiritual wisdom, then we would know that how dangerous are our inner enemies. The resulting healthy fear inspire us to gain spiritual knowledge. In one line summary, enemies are dangerous. Invisible enemies are more dangerous, but enmity of the enemy is the most greatest danger, and the spiritual wisdom can save us. So it is our essential protector. Thanks for having me.